In this video, I'm going to show you how you can repost other people's videos without getting any sort of strikes and without having your video marked as unoriginal content on TikTok. First, let's understand what gets marked as unoriginal content. Well, if you just go and steal somebody's video and repost it as your own, most likely it's going to be flagged as unoriginal. But I'm going to show you right now how to steal videos like a pro without having to worry about any sort of strikes. Now, first things first, we got to decide what type of videos we want to actually repost. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be doing motivational videos. Motivational videos always do pretty well. We do motivational videos for things like making money or even just working out. Now, the way we're going to be finding these videos, we're going to head over to TikTok and we're going to search up motivational podcasts. Now, the good thing is, whenever you search up motivational podcasts, it's automatically going to put all the best videos at the top. So we're just going to have a quick scroll through here and see which video we want to actually take. And like, for example, right here, you can never go wrong with a good old Luke Belmar. And the good thing about Luke Belmar is the guy knows how to farm comments. Anything he speaks about, you just know somebody's going to have a comment in the video along the lines of this guy just yaps. So we're going to watch the video. I hope you guys can actually hear it.
No, you're not. Are you sleeping well? No, you're not. Are you eating organic, clean food? Healthy? No, you're not. I see eye bags under your eyes. So what you need to... Bro, look at me. Look at me. First of all, delete all social media apps. Why?
Because it's wasting my time.
Because it's a distraction right now.
Distraction.
Until you know...
So what did we learn from this video? We learned that if you have eye bags, the way to cure that is to delete all social media apps. Now, since we decided this is the video we want to repost, the second step is to actually go and find the video on YouTube. You don't want to just download the video directly from TikTok, because I guarantee you this guy already did the editing that I'm going to show you how to do. So we want to find the actual raw footage. So we're going to head over to YouTube. Now we just need to find the video. So we're going to search up something like Luke Belmar motivation. Is it here? No, it's probably not here. What's the top searches? Luke Belmar, probably in cringe, to be honest. I think it's this one, right? Yeah, see, it was in cringe. It's this video right here.
Save up.
Now the thing is, this video is pretty short. It's only about like 6 minutes long. So I can actually watch the video and just find the clip that I want to repost. But if you're doing a clip, like for example, Joe Rogan, their podcast is like, what, 2 hours long? So you're not gonna sit and watch the entire podcast until you actually find the clip. So the way to find the exact clip that you want, go on Google and search up YouTube transcript extractor. It should be this one right here. And once you're here, copy the URL of the video that you want to pretty much repost, click go, and it's gonna give you the entire transcript. Now you're gonna click Control F and type in something that you heard in the video. So for example, he was talking about eye bags. So if we search up eye bags, you can see that it shows me exactly where it is. Now,
question me, brother. I see eye bags under your eyes.
Take me to the part of the video where he says eye bags. Now you're gonna have to pretty much screen record the video. There's two ways that you can screen record the video. You can screen record it directly off your computer using a software like OBS, or you can go on your phone, go on YouTube, find the video. You already know exactly where the clip is in the video, and just screen record it directly off of your phone and either airdrop it to your laptop if you're using a Mac, or just send it to Google Drive and download it from your computer just like that. And once you have the clip downloaded, the next step is to go over to CapCut. Now, once you're in CapCut, this is how we're gonna be making the video original and pretty much making it seem like the video is yours. I think the best way to describe what we're gonna be doing is, think about it as if we're pretty much going to be naturally boosting the testosterone of the video. Now, some people, what they think to do is, they think to pretty much put the clip into a software that just erases the metadata, thinking that that's going to automatically make the video original, but that doesn't work. Because what happens when you do that is, the TikTok AI can actually recognize that you've done that, so your video is just going to get 0 views. Think about that as like you're using Trend. Remember, we're doing this naturally. So we're using something like Shilajit right now to actually boost the testosterone of the video. So the first step we're gonna have to do is, you're gonna have to obviously change the aspect ratio of the video. So click on ratio right here, and TikTok uses 9:16. So just click on 9:16. Now before you do anything else, we wanna change the way the video looks. What I mean by that is you wanna mirror the video. If you pretty much flip the video, TikTok's not gonna be able to actually recognize it for some reason. It's not gonna think this is Luke Belmar. It's gonna think this is Belmar Luke, which is good for you. So the way to do that is right click on it, click on edit, and just click on mirror. And what you'll notice is...
Are you going to the gym every day?
It already has subtitles. Because we mirrored the video, the subtitles are now flipped as well. This is not gonna be for every single video that you're gonna download, but if a video does have subtitles, what you want to do is right click again, click on edit, and just crop ratio, and find where the subtitles are, and just pretty much crop it. Just like that, click confirm. Now we're just gonna expand the video so it actually fills up a good portion of the screen. We're not gonna fill it up all the way like this. We're gonna leave some black borders just like here. That's perfect. Now the second step is to naturally boost the testosterone of the video, is we're gonna have to change the way the video actually looks. So we're gonna head over to filters. Now you can do whatever you want. Just don't overdo it. Don't make the video look bad. Just put enough filters where you're changing the video enough, but you're still not overdoing it. So we're gonna
Are you sleeping well?
Here. So just gonna put it on the video, and you can actually mess around with this even more. So if you click on filters on the top right, you can change the intensity of the filter. We can put it at like 50%, and then we can go over to adjustments and mess around with the exposure and the contrast even more. But we're not gonna overdo it. Like, we're just gonna be tweaking it just a little bit. There's no correct way to do this. You can do it however you want. As long as you're just changing the actual features of the video, you're gonna be fine. Now, the second step is gonna be to add some effects on the video. So we're gonna head over to effects, click on the drop down section over here, and you're gonna see a bunch of effects here. So I'm gonna go over to the trendy ones right now and just have a quick scroll and see which one you actually like. So I'm gonna pick this one. It's called black noise. Just put it on top of the video and stretch it out so it fills the entire video.
Are you going to the gym every day? No, you're not.
It does look like it's, you know, doing a little too much right now. So we can change the speed of it, bring it down a lot more.
Every day? No, you're not.
Now, what I'll say as well, most likely your video is going to be a minute long, because if you're in the Creator Rewards program, you want your video to be a minute long to actually get paid. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to be doing a minute long video. I'm going to be doing like a 15-second long video, because it's enough for you to understand how to actually do it. But if your video is not a minute long, don't be scared to go and add another clip from like a different podcast, just to stretch that video out to a minute long. But make sure the clip actually has at least something that correlates with the first clip. Now the next step is going to be to add some sort of footage on the video. This is obviously good because it's pretty much like another padding to make sure your video is going to be classified as original, and it's also going to make somebody watch the video longer. Because you guys know on TikTok, people have like the attention span of a fish. If there's not something changing on the screen constantly, they're just gonna scroll away. Now you don't have to add something in literally every single second of the video. If your video is like 60 seconds long, you can add something new every 10 to 15 seconds. There are multiple ways you can find footage to add in the video. Obviously you can use a website like Pexels. You can go over to YouTube and find, you know, non-copyrighted videos that you can use. You can go on Google and find non-copyrighted videos that you can use. Or you can go on CapCut directly, click on import, and just click on stock material, I think that says. And here you also have a bunch of footage that you can use. Obviously this is a lot more generic. By the way, you don't need the pro version of CapCut for any of this. Like everything that I'm using, I don't need CapCut Pro for it. Now the way you add the actual footage, you have to make it resemble what the person is speaking about. So,
food, healthy? No, you're not. I see eye bags under your eyes.
If he's talking about eye bags, I can go and search up something like eye bags, and I can put a video of eye bags. Again, listen, the video that I'm making right now is not going to be a perfect video. I'm doing it strictly for the sake of this video. So when you're editing yours, make sure the footage that you actually add is good. But for now, I don't really care what footage I'm going to be adding. So I'm going to put this here, make it a lot smaller, make it fit pretty much only where he's talking about it.
So what you need to, bro, look at me. Bags under your eyes. So what you need to, see eye bags under your eyes. I see eye.
So right here he's saying I see eye bags. And we're gonna make it fill pretty much the entire screen. Now this looks terrible, I know, but don't worry, you get the idea.
You're not. I see eye bags under your eyes. So,
and to make it look better, we can obviously use like an animation. So click over on animation. And the one that I always use, it's called, I think, zoom out. Yeah, this one right here.
I see eye bags. I see eye bags under your eyes. So I see eye bags under your eyes. So what you need to, bro, look at me.
And you can add these as much as you want throughout the video. Now once you've added all the videos that you want to fill up the video, pretty much the last step that you're gonna have to do is just add the captions. Now this is very, very easy on CapCut. All you have to do is click over on text, click on auto captions, and just generate. Now this is automatically gonna generate your captions for you, so you don't have to do anything. Now, what you might have to do is, you might have to actually read over the captions and edit them, because sometimes they mess it up. But you will need to change the font, because the font over here looks very bad. Click on templates, and you're gonna get a bunch of templates here. A lot of them are only for Pro, but there are some good ones that you can use without having the Pro version. What you're looking for specifically here is a style of captions where it only shows one word at a time. That's gonna have the viewer actually watching the video, not just reading the whole thing and then skipping away. So I think this one is good. Yeah, it only shows one word at a time. But we still want to edit them a little bit more. You can change the color to whatever you want. I personally would probably just keep it as white. Now, you don't want the captions to be too big as well. I think something like, 14 or even 13 is very good. And have it somewhere in the middle of the screen. Oh, what the hell?
Are you going to the gym every day? No, you're not. Are you sleeping well? No, you're not. Are you eating organic, clean food? Healthy? No, you're not. I see eye bags under your eyes. So what you need to...
Now, this would pretty much be an original video, because you've changed up pretty much everything to do with the video. You flipped the video, you added effects, you changed the filter, you're adding footage throughout the video, and you added your own caption. It will obviously now take you longer to make a video and upload it, but the chances of your video doing better and the chances of it not getting a strike or classified as unoriginal content is much higher. Now, I know the video that I just made is pretty bad, but I'm sure you get the idea of what I mean by this. If you learned anything from this, or if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions about anything related to this video, just leave it in the comments below.